Hello, what up my people, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I have a honest advice for traders, especially, I wouldn't say especially, I have honest advice for literally every trader on every level, either beginner trader, intermediate trader, advanced trader. I don't care the level you are, but this is a honest advice because it's actually a real life experience that I actually went through, and I would actually be giving you guys this advice so that other new beginner traders and probably others that are actually struggling to actually make more profit in the charts would actually be going through, and I would be explaining this. Now, I noticed that every trader is actually on social media, and most of the time we try to impress ourselves based on how we catch trades, probably catch sniper entries, probably catch good trades, to the point that some people end up faking those trades. Not really everybody, but probably like 60% end up faking those trades just because they want attention. Now, at some point, those traders tend to forget why they started trading. You see, literally everybody, based on my location, literally everybody that came into trading came for a sole purpose: to eradicate probably struggling in life with financial issues, to eradicate poverty around your family, to make sure you are able to afford anything and everything you want. But coming into social media, at some point you misplace your priority because you are seeing big traders showing their profits, showing their charts, how they catch nice trades, and at some point you might also be looking for that kind of attention, but you tend to forget that those people have been trading for a long time. Some would have been trading for 5 years, some would have been trading for 6 years. You come into social media, you see payment certificates, $6,000, $10,000, 13, 20. You now start doubting yourself because you see as if you're not doing well. Maybe at the end of the day you end up using 0.5 lot size, or maybe you use 0.01 lot size, or maybe you use 0.1 lot size, and you are seeing other people using 1 lot size, 2 lot size, 3 lot size, and you start questioning yourself that what are you doing? Bro, you are misplacing your priority of why you started trading. Okay, now this is my experience. I'll be explaining my experience. Since the beginning of this year, I took it upon myself that every week I am going to break down my trade recap based on how I traded, what the kind of trade I was able to catch, so that I would have enough data that if I am going through any kind of difficulties based on my strategy, I can be able to go back to those videos so that I can get the insights that I need. Now, along the line, I wasn't seeing enough views on my YouTube channel, but along the line I ventured back into X. Yes, I've been using X since 2011. Yes, I've been on X since 2011. So I decided to come back to X and see how I could actually push my videos better for people to see, and maybe at the end of the day get probably monetized or tend to reach more audience. Because trust me, anybody that is putting his video out there on YouTube is probably trying to get monetized. Let's not cut corners around ourselves here. So along the line, when I came into X, I saw a lot of things. People trying to fake their payouts, people trying to fake their achievements, people trying to fake the kind of trades they catch. I now asked myself, is this good for me? Yes, at some point it was working for me, because before my videos were getting like was it 4 5 views, 3 views, 10 views. But when I started X and I started pushing my videos under these mentors, their posts, I started pushing my videos, people started watching a little, and I started getting a little bit attraction. But I noticed something, that my precision reduced. And now, why did that precision reduce? Because I was trying to catch unrealistic RRs because I wanted to post it on X, or maybe because I wanted to post it on TikTok, or maybe I wanted to put, because I just wanted to put it on social media. This is where a lot of people tend to fail. A lot of times you forget that this is for yourself, not for other people to see. And I decided to give those social media some break. I gave it a 1 week break, and I promised myself that I wasn't going to upload anything for 1 week. And that really helped me. That 1 week that I wasn't thinking of any social media, I wasn't thinking of X, I wasn't thinking of TikTok, I wasn't thinking of any social media, my precision increased back, because I wasn't trying to please anybody to see what I am doing. I wasn't trying to show off. I wasn't even thinking of unrealistic RRs. I just follow my system. If it is 1:2 I see, I grab my profits. But when I was actually trying to put those things on social media, I would see 1:2 RR. I won't close, because I was thinking maybe if I close this 1:2 RR, people will say, why see this one? He's closing a small he's closing a very small RR. You know, you start doubting yourself that, are you sure you are doing good? Bro, I started over leveraging. Yes, I've already been able to build my psychology to some point that I don't overtrade anymore, because I know what it costs in this particular industry. So within that 1 week, I saw a lot of progress. All those precision increased back. I was able to gain my mind back. And this is my lesson that I want to show and teach, or probably explain to especially beginner traders. I want you guys to give yourself a break from social media. Stop comparing yourself with these big mentors, big idolos. On Twitter they call it idolos. Especially, I would want especially beginner traders, I would want you to stay away from X. Twitter, I would want you to stay away from X. X will make you feel as if you don't know what you are doing. Those men on X are faking literally everything they are doing. They fake payout certificates, they fake passing out challenges, they fake buying properties, they fake buying cars, they fake literally everything. And at the end of the day, that gets to you, it gets into your mind, and you start doubting yourself. While you're doubting yourself, you would see profits that would feed you for 1 month. Instead of you to take it, you will be waiting for how to impress other people. So that is what I actually came to tell you guys today, and I hope that you would use this to work with it in your brain, because if you don't wake up early, I pray you don't end up regretting that you are not doing this for yourself. You are trying to please others, especially X. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and I must catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.